Welcome. Today we have common problem. Redmi Note 9 and phone does not have any sounds in the buzzer. There are no write-ons. And what caused the problem? In many cases, you just need to replace this flex cable. As you can see, this connector is broken. So all you need is just replace this flex cable and the rest of your parts probably will be good. This is a really often issue in this model, and cost of that tape is about $5. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please write below in comments and don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time.